Alright, afternoon everyone. Today we are rewinding the other half of my 1.5 kilowatt. We're doing copper, 19 gauge, 70 turns each. It did have stock aluminum, 170 turns. That's what I counted. Tim said sometimes they're not balanced either. Surprisingly with the machine, I guess sometimes it misses. I don't know, or whatever they're doing, but 70 turns. I went heavier on this side. There's seems like you get a little more room there. I can't remember what I did. I think I did 80 turns on the other one. I'm gonna do 70 on this one. Mismatch isn't that big of a deal, and I can always adjust that one. I can't remember if it was 60 or 80, so I went 70, but I'm not too concerned. The open voltage, if they mismatch a little bit, it's not that big a deal. If they're like 10 volts off, I don't care, because the load's gonna pull them down together eventually. It's not perfect, but you know what? Most of this is junk, so DIY stuff out of junk. So I don't think anyone can really complain about that, right? All right. Well, anyway, this is how I'm rewinding it. I decided I'm probably gonna leave it. I may do three and three. I'm gonna do so it's like two parallel, three series, because it's a three-phase motor. There's 18 poles, so that means there's 6 coils per phase to make 18. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break it up into threes. So there's essentially, I cut this motor in half, and then I got a motor over here, and then you parallel those out as a generator. You get double the current, lower the voltage. That's what I want. I want a lower voltage, high current generator. That's what I need for my needs, and to make a good generator, in my opinion. That's good. That's 19 E6. It's good wire. This is about, man, I think that was like $80. No, I didn't pay that much. I paid 60. Now it's high. Now it's higher. It's that way it's not respun. Anyway, yep. I'm just wiring it the same direction and everything that I took the wire off. So you want to take pictures, take a little video of you taking the wire off. It took me about an hour to pull all that wire off. I had a giant bird's nest over here. It was huge, man. It was like this tall. It was massive. I should have took a picture, but anyway, hope this helps y'all if you want to rewind a motor. It's pretty simple. If it's BLDC, it's a three-phase motor. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can see what I did to keep it going. As long as those line up, you can even cut poles off if you want. But as long as you're 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on the right phase, it's going to work. And the spacing's correct. You can't just pick. You just can't pick what's 2 and 3. You gotta. It has to be in the right spacing and order. But you can do a lot with this as it sits. Peace.